Good morning. So I wake up. Okay. I wake up and I wave to my neighbor and say what's up. And I come to find out that we're snowed in. Yes, that is an actual live feed from my kitchen window. Now, to actually show you what's going on, I'm gonna have to go downstairs. See what's up from the Midwest, Chicago. And I was shocked. Well, not really, because it's been over the news all night. But as you can see here, well, poor quality video. Well, basically, there's 2 feet of snow out the door, and I can't open the door. There's actual snow coming out from the freaking window. I mean, from the fucking freaking door. Let's take you to the front door. Whoa. Again, kind of window. You can force it. But that's what you get. A big wall. Jeez. That's a scene from Chicago. I mean, it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Are snowed in. Schools are canceled. Ooh. Rocking on my Xbox PJs. Woohoo! Yeah. But here's another view. That's about it. Damn, it was cold outside. So once again, live feed from outside. See you later.